Struggling to hold a bolt tight? Here's a simple hack. Take a long bolt, add washers on both sides. Lock it in with 2 nuts. Now place it over the bolt head. Boom. Instant grip tool. No slipping, no hassle. Turn your angle grinder into a mini table saw. Build a strong frame, mount it tight, no movement. Swap in a wood cutting blade, secure everything, add the top plate, and boom. Clean, smooth cuts in seconds. Stop. You're doing this the hard way. Watch this simple trick. Just do it like this. See? So much faster and cleaner. Try it yourself and save this video. Is your drilling always a little crooked? Look at this simple trick. Just attach a small bubble level on top of your drill. Now you can easily keep the drill perfectly straight. Simple, but very useful. Ever tried putting a washer in a tight space? It keeps falling before you can tighten the bolt. Here's a simple trick. Simple, fast, and super helpful.